The required component for VI characteristic of diode, one of the diode, and we need a voltage, DC voltage, that is the variable. This is the indicate arrow is the variable. This is the positive, this is negative. This is the variable voltage apply across your diode. This is apply across your diode. Now this variable voltage is measured using a multimeter. We connect a multimeter, one of the terminal is positive and negative, one of the multimeter is connected here. To observe this variation, what B changes the DC value. This DC value indicated by this multimeter. Also the current flow inside your diode, inside your diode, for need a measure a current, this current flow inside your diode, we need a multimeter. One of the multimeter use here and next multimeter use here for measure a current. Now how this current for measurement? We need a multimeter. Suppose this is your multimeter. There is one of the terminal is positive, this is the terminal negative. This is used as a ammeter, measure a current. This is used for as a voltmeter. Now this voltmeter is connected to across battery is the parallel, means for measure a voltage we connect a multimeter as a parallel, and to measure a current we need to connect this ammeter as a series in this circuit. How to connect this ammeter in a series for measure a current? We need this terminal. Suppose we break this connection. Suppose this is break connection. Now one of the connection is this one, next one is this connection. There is no any connection here. Now this connection, this positive is going inside this terminal. Now this positive is, the purpose of this one connection is to make this ammeter is a series connection with this circuit for measure a current. Now this is connection is positive is going here. Now this is terminal is connected here, one of the positive terminal of multimeter here. Now this current go on this side is flow, here is current flow, this is current flow, this side flow, also inside this current flow. Also one of the negative terminal of your multimeter is now connected the second terminal of your connection. Now this is a jumping, so this form means the current is flowing positive of terminal and go inside. This is the ammeter and this is current now come across in this form. This is current inside, then it goes to your diode. Now this is the complete path. Now this multimeter is connected to series with your circuit, and this multimeter for measure a voltage is connected to parallel. Means for measure a current we connect multimeter as series, and for measure a voltage we connect a multimeter is a parallel. This circuit for explanation. Now to come to see your proper connection through your trainer kit. This is the trainer kit. We need a diode. Here is the one of the diode is indicate here. This is one of the diode. Now one of the terminal is this one and next one is the terminal is this one. Means we need a terminals. One of the terminal is this one means we need a one of the diode. Also we need a variable voltage. This is the DC voltage. This is the variable knob. By rotating this one the voltage is changes. Suppose we want to measure the variable voltage, we connect a multimeter, we indicate this is the DC voltage. Now this is the positive terminal is connected across. This is the positive terminal we connected here, and one of this is the ground terminal is connected to these are the negative terminal or the ground terminal. This now to observe this one, this is indicate, this is a variable knob. By variable knob is changed, the DC voltage also changes. This is indicate here. Okay, we connect the multimeter is parallel. Now to plot a VI characteristic of diode, to make a connection, this is the to observe the what the voltage is come across this terminal, to observe this one. Now this positive now terminal is goes to your diode positive terminal for forward biases, and this negative terminal is goes to this terminal of your, means this is the P side, this is the N side. Now this negative terminal goes to your negative battery side and positive terminal goes to your P side of this. Now this is formed as a forward bias. Now there is one need for measure a current. This make multimeter as a measure a current. How to make is, this positive terminal is connected to of your positive terminal of your multimeter, and this negative terminal is now goes to your diode P side of your terminal. Now this is connected here. We already explained here to observe this circuit. If you understand very well this circuit, then very easy to connect in this trainer kit. This is now connected, means the positive is this one, this is the one of the positive, and this is the common, this is the negative, is now go inside this of positive of your terminal of diode. This is make as a series. Now there is one of the terminal which is now we connect the negative polarity of your battery is now connected to your N side of your diode. This is proper connection. This is the proper connection what we see here in this circuit. Same circuit is formed here. Okay, now to observe by variation of your variable voltage and observe this your this observe the voltage and this is observe your current. Now to observe this one, suppose we first start point, this is the move to, this is the milli, be considered in the range of voltage. To select the this one, millivolt also come. Now this is come to volt. To observe this one, suppose we use 0.25, suppose this is a 0.254 volt, and to observe the current, there is no current. Also when we increase the voltage, there is a increasing of voltage. To observe this one, there is come to 0.4, near about 0.4 voltage, there is also no current flow. Why no current flow? Because this is a, we consider the silicon diode. In the silicon diode, what happened, after 0.7 voltage the current flow inside our diode. This is the voltage, we vary a voltage, this is, and to observe the current, there is when 0.7 voltage come, the current flow increasing order. Below 0.7 there is no current flow. To observe in this circuit, the point near about 0.39 there is no current flow. Similar again we increasing 0.54 there is also no current flow, also increasing 0.7. To observe this one, the current is now increasing, means after the threshold voltage the current, the flow your circuit. To again changing the, increase the voltage, also the current is also increasing 0.8, 0.9. Overall conclusion of this one, after threshold voltage current start flowing. Now to plot your graph, by the plotting of graph, to observe the properly voltage versus current, we observe here after 0.7 the current just start flow. This is the plot of your VI characteristic of diode. This is the complete of your experiment of your VI characteristic in the forward bias. Okay.